and welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to try the reverse cat eye trend. It's been going around on TikTok and I've seen some YouTubers do this look as well, and I just think it looks so pretty and I want to try it out and I want to see how it looks on my eye shape. Now I don't even know what my eye shape is really. I know I have smaller eyes, so I'm curious. I don't know if I've maybe slightly hooded. I don't know. You guys tell me. If you guys know my eye shape, let me know. But that is something I should look into. Something I should know about myself when I'm doing makeup. But anyways, the guy's name who did this TikTok trend, well, I don't know his TikTok name, but I searched him up on YouTube and he is Painted by Spencer, and I looked up his video and I wrote down some notes and get his steps and how he does this, and that is what I'm going to do today. I'm also going to link his video down below so you could check out his video as well. But he used the Soft Glam, and that is what I'm going to use as well. And Soft Glam is just a staple in my collection. I love it. I'm so happy I purchased this so long ago. It's something I still continue to reach into. It's just a beautiful neutral palette. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and definitely keep on watching. He doesn't do this in his video, but I'm going to. I'm just going to go into the tempera with a fluffy brush, and I am going to set down both lids. This is just something I like to do. And this shade tempera has almost like almost like a satin. It's not really super matte, but I think it just adds lightness. And the first step he does is he goes and he creates a backdrop for this eye look. And he puts a shadow on the upper and lower lash line. And he uses a larger fluffy brush, and he goes into the shade Cypress Umber. But he does say, based on your skin tone, you could go in with a lighter shade or a darker shade. And you could also have fun with this look and you could do colorful eyeshadows. You don't have to do like a neutral brown and black. So what I'm going to do is just put this in my crease. Now this shade might be a little too dark for my skin tone personally, but I'm just going to try it and kind of bring it out. And he says it doesn't have to be perfect. The more you think about it, about having perfection, the more likely you're going to mess up. So he says just go with it and just blend it in and bring it down below as well. And whatever's on my brush, I'm just bringing it down. And I am going to go in with a big fluffy brush just to really blend it, because I'm not going to go in with any other shadow up top. I just want to make sure it is all blended. I feel if I do this again, I would go in with a lighter shade just for my skin tone. And for the lower lash line, he uses a Huda Beauty eyeliner duo. It has a liquid and a pencil. I'm going to use my Tarteist because it has both. And I want to use something creamy, something that could blend. So we'll use this. And I'm going to take this into my waterline. And he does bring it into the inner corner. And then when he brings it out, he kind of uses his finger to flick out a little wing on the bottom part. I always hate doing my lower lash line or my waterline on camera because I always pull down so far. I'm going to try not to. And I kind of want to take it and wing it a little on the bottom. And then he takes a smaller detail brush and goes into the black shade Noir, and he kind of just buffs it out. And I'll work on the other eye after. I don't want the liner to dry because I want to be able to smudge it. This isn't the right brush. We're going to try this flat definer brush. And I'm taking this up below my lashes. And then he takes like a little blending brush and just buffs out the edges. I don't know if I brought it down too far, but I feel like I achieved the look. And then you can take your liquid pencil and sharpen up anything that you want, like make more of a point over here in the inner corner, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do. Already messing up. Okay, I think I did it. All right, I'm going to do the other eye off camera real quick. Okay, so here are both eyes done. And for my first attempt, I don't think it's too bad. Next time I'd probably go into lighter shade in my crease and maybe not. Well, the whole point of it is to bring it down, but I don't think I brought it down too far. I think it looks okay, and I think it looks okay in my eye shape. That's my opinion. What do you guys think? So the last step is he pops on mascara. I'm going to use my Essence. This is my Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, and he puts it on the upper and lower lashes. Okay, and there we go. I am all done. Honestly, I don't think it took that long to do. I think it's kind of simple. If I wasn't filming and I wasn't like talking, I think it would have been a lot quicker. And after I tried it, I kind of have an idea of how to do it. I think it'll be a lot easier next time. And I think this would be really fun playing with colors, doing like blue or whatever color. I think it's really pretty. And I don't know, I almost feel like it makes my eyes look more open. I don't know I don't know. But if you guys try this or have tried this, let me know if it works out for you, if you like it, if you don't like this trend. I remember when the Foxy Eye trend was going around, I did a video on that, and I liked how that looked too. And I think it's very similar to the Foxy Eye, but just a little different. I know I could perfect this look a little bit. I know it's not perfect, but I am pleased. Okay guys, well, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching this video and, you know, coming along with me trying out this new eye trend. I always love trying new makeup trends just to see how it goes. And I think this is kind of like sultry. I think it would be really pretty on a date night. The only thing I'm concerned about is when I put makeup in the inner part of my eye, it collects and builds and like it looks really bad after a few hours. So that's my only concern with this look. But I think it's beautiful for photos, and I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. I'll let you guys know down below if it builds up and looks like a mess later on. But okay guys, I will see you all later. All right, bye.